What's up, guys? It's April 12th, 2024. We had a trend day on a Friday. I call this the hockey stick pattern. I'm just joking. I made that up. So, excuse me. It had a pretty good day. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, double bottom, gap down. Bar one is a bull bar. So, after big gap down, it's a breakout through the EMA. The bull bar is signaling we're going into a channel phase. So, the market's kind of range bound here. Pull back, we break out of the so first opposite bar is a channel. First six bars are more bullish, so you're like, why is there more bullish price action? Because it's a bear flag almost, and then this is a channel. So good breakout. First pullback, we channel leg one, pull back leg two. We go into yesterday's low, and then we pull back into the EMA. This was a sick EMA trade, I think, because it was like leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, wedge top. Bear bulls go for another leg higher. That creates a double top, and then look at we sell off into a new low. Two-legged pullback into the EMA. This becomes a second leg trap, and then we sell off into the swing low. Bears try and get a new low. It fails. They get trapped and squeezed out. Leg one, pullback leg two. So it was really sick. I really liked today's price action. I felt I was able to read it a little bit better from a bear trend perspective. I got caught here. I got short here. I had a bad entry, so I got out here. But it was a pretty sick day. I just went off, super skipped all the bars. So let me restart. So breakout, opposite bars, channel, pull back, and then we get a breakout from the morning range. Bears go for two legs down, leg one, pull back, leg two, tight bear channel, maybe strong enough to get second leg. And then we get a wedge top pullback into the EMA. And then we sell off into the recent swing low, and bar 35 looks like bulls trying to make a double bottom, but they get trapped, and this gives a 34, 35, and 36 is now a bear flag with a double top, and that gets its own two legs down. So we can counter leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four. Or you want to start fresh, maybe it's a leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. I counted it leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four. And when I was getting down here, I was thinking about just not just chilling for a little bit. I was short, I was long, and I got a little bit cut, so I just chilled out. So the measured moves for today. Today's a little bit of a fast one. I have I have to go to like a family party and people are coming over, so I apologize. And then there's just this stuff going on this weekend. So, but it was a bear trend day, and the most important thing is to sell. So for any reason, sell the bull bars. If you sell the bull bars, make sure you use a wide stop and you're willing to scale in, or wait for good breakouts here. 2-bar follow through, you can go for a scalp. 2-bar follow through, you can go for a scalp. 2-bar follow through, maybe you don't want to short that. You wait for a pullback, but this is a trending. This is a channel. This whole thing is a channel. But what I'm trying to get at is this is more trendy and this is more range bound. This is also a range, but bears broke out, and then here bears didn't break out, so it's a range. So that's what I was trying to say. So yeah, lots of legs, lots of ways to get short. Let's go for a measured move here. Oh, that's awesome. It equals into yesterday's low, so that's a pretty good breakout. Go body to body. Here, if we go body to body, it gives some context for this. Looks like a break and retest, leg lower. Measured moves met. Leg one, pull back leg two. Then the market goes for pullback into the EMA. This creates a double top. Leg one, pull back leg two. This is a trend line break from right here, bar 32. So, but it's still also a bear bar, so it could also just be one trend like that. Leg one, pull back leg two. Let's measure it. I keep wanting to measure it, and then I go back to talking about it. So here's a leg one, pull back leg two. Leg one, pull back leg two. You have to have a really wide stop. It would go like somewhere here, or you wait for the whole pullback. That's the best thing, is wait for the, you just don't short the bull bar. So leg one would go here. I guess it would go here. Deep pullback, and it's met. This is more a range bound short, I think, because bulls make money. So now the market's ranging. But then the market breaks out again. So the market cycle resets once breakout, channel, so leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, range, breakout, channel, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, range. And the market cycle literally repeated itself twice today. That's crazy. I didn't catch it that in depth while I was trading, but I was aware this was a channel, and I was aware this was a range. But this range breakout reset kind of got me just now because I was counting it leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, and the legs get weaker. Leg two is the strongest one, which is pretty cool. I wonder, was there a measured move for the 18 bar? Yeah, I that slipped my mind. I didn't even have that as a PT up today. It's been so long since that's worked, honestly. I haven't traded live in a while. I just wanted to get the account kind of cushiony. I'm live today. I made a little bit of money, so I'm happy about that. I don't know where I was going with that previous sentence. I'm pretty tired. I got drained today. This right here, I don't know why this price action got me super tired at the end of the day. A lot of back and forth. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four. Today's video is a little bit all over the place. I need to get better with the way I'm talking about this thing. I wanted to do it in order from the breakout or the first 6 bars, like of the market cycle, and then how, because depending where we are in the market cycle is how we trade the legs. So it would make more sense to do the first 6 bars, just give some context for the day, the market cycle, and then the leg count. Because if we're in the later, if like this is a leg three, so maybe people would want to buy the lows because it's range bound because the bulls are making money. So it really depends. I got to put some thought into it. I want to get more precise with these things and not just be all willy nilly because they do help a lot. These videos have definitely been helping. I hope you guys are getting some stuff out of it too. Here's another range. This is the one I was talking about at the end of the day where I took the short, kind of got stopped out a little bit, but so yeah, market cycle reset today. Delete this. Looking pretty nasty. Oh, that's kind of looking like a wedge bottom almost on the daily. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four. However, we're making new lows, so we'll see if bulls buy the new low or do bears get the breakout below the EMA. Bears have not put one single bar below the EMA in months, so it'll be interesting to see. Is the first gap bar going to get faded on Monday? What's going to happen? It's going to be interesting. Hope you guys had a good weekend. You guys stayed safe. I had a good weekend. Well, it's Friday, but I think I'm gonna have a good weekend. I don't know. I'm gonna be studying. Hope you guys are studying, and I will put some more thought into the order of these videos because I don't. I hope you, if this video sounded all bouncing around, please let me know. Just give me let me know, and I'll try and I'll sort this out because I want it to be proper. Everyone should know what they're coming for, know what they're getting. Hope you guys are okay. Thank you for the comments. Welcome to everyone that's new. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. If you guys are learning something, I would appreciate a follow. And even if you don't want to follow me, it doesn't even matter. Just yeah, I don't know where I'm going with some rambling again, so that's my time to leave. Thank you guys. I appreciate everyone and your support. It's really cool that this thing's kind of rolling now. Have a good weekend, guys. I hope you had a good weekend, everybody.